So we are finished for the virtual user generator. Virtual user generator, just we record the script, and after the record the script, we done for the script announcements like correlation, parameterization, and checkpoints like web break find, and what are the requirements we done for that for Vugen. So once scripting everything is ready, then now you need to execute with the 100 users, means that much of data in your script, like you are doing for the parameterization, right? You need to pass the data. How much you want, you need to keep that data in that Excel sheet or in that our parameterization files. You need to keep that data, and after that we need to start our execution, means you need to open for the controller. See, controller means we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view. We can use for the controller. So once you can open the controller, it will be looks like, see, it will open one new scenario window. For here, new scenario window, you're able to see manual scenario and goal-oriented scenario. Manual scenario, nothing but, see, if you want design yourself, means we only design the scenario, like we only give for the number of users and these all things, you need to select for the manual scenario. Otherwise, itself, computer itself, you want it to design, means you can select for the goal-oriented. So mostly we don't go for the in real time as a goal-oriented, because everything manually only we can design. That is why you need to check this, and don't check this. So you can check this. What will happen? Like, see, the load will be distributed like percentage mode, like 100%, 50%. So you don't keep this, then it is count as a like 10 users, 20 users. It will count like this. So that is why don't keep for the percentage mode. Okay. You need to check for the manual scenario. After that, these all available scripts for an hour. What are the scripts I done? So what are the scripts I need to execute? I need to select those scripts. So today I done for the FT 20 07 FB underscore. Today is at 20, right? Where is this is the script name. Okay, I will check. Let me check. See, what is the script you are finished for that successfully? You need to keep that script. Okay. FB 0203. Let me change. So what is the your script you are changed, right? You can change the means what is the script you are completed, all script announcements. That script only you need to push the controller, because that script we are ready with the multiple user point of view. So you done for the correlation, means it is your script will be never fail. See, now you can go to the controller. See, in the controller, now we are able to see that. Okay, this is our script I'm added, and after that click on okay. So just what are the scripts we have done as of now, all script it will display, but what script you done, you need to check that one, you can push. Okay, and I added, and after that click on okay. So once you added the what are the scenarios, what are the scripts you are completed, it automatically our controller will open. In the controller we are able to see the like design, run, and diagnostics. In the design part, we can design the scenario like number of users, quantity nothing but number of users, and this is the load generator, and this is the scenario, this is the number of users, this is the duration, how much time, stop condition. So everything we can design the scenario. In runtime means if you want to design scenario, you can start, click on this, and you can click on start scenario. It automatically your test will be start. So now you can observe this, it is showing for the red color, means what will happen means this script will be not available in our script. So we can check that script, and our script name I given for the FB underscore okay, let me open again, maybe refresh. Again I will open, maybe it's refresh need. Again I'm opening controller. So once open the controller, we need to select for the manual scenario. After that, we need to select for the our script name. What is our script name? FB underscore given for that today date. Where is that? 31/0/22. No. 20. Let me check. This is FB underscore 2007. Let me open and close. The script I will check before pushing the script. I am checking for the script I done for the all script announcements or not. I will just I want to check and okay, script, okay, correlation, this all things are done. Okay, I'm closing. Now we'll see. Yeah, this is our script 2001, no, right?
No, 07.
Why it is not showing here? Okay, apart from this script, we can take any other, because why it is not showing. Let's close the controller again. Okay, let me, no problem. I'm taking for the other script. That script, I think it's not coming. Okay. So just I push the script. What are the script we have? See, if it is showing here, it's a red color. That script is not available, but this script is available in our Vugen scripts. And now this is the script name. Like if you want to select any other script means you can come here. You can select for the other script also if you want. Okay, and this is the path, means where it is saved your script, and this is the quantity, nothing but number of users. Right now it is showing for the one user. Load generator, I told, right? Load generator, nothing but we want to for the generate the load against the application point of view, we are using for the load generator. So, and assume to the, this is the scenario schedule, and see, this is the starts, means you want to add for the number of users. So I want to add for the users will be 50 users, and I'm giving for the condition every 10 users will ramp up in the 5 seconds I given. And duration I'm giving for the just 2 minutes only I'm giving. Okay, real time you need to start doing for the, when you are doing scripting execution, right, you can do for the maximum 1 hour like this you can do. And again I'm giving for the end condition also 0.5. See, now you can observe, once I design the scenario, you are able to see the diagram. So this is the ramp up. So ramp up means, what is the ramp up means? See, you are giving for the 10 users, total will be, we are given 50 users. Every 10 users will be 5 seconds will be ramp up. So what is the ramp up? What is the ramp down means? Users will be gradually increasing the load. So we are not giving for the at a time 50 users to the application. See, for example, I will open Notepad. Let me, I will explain. Okay. See, for example, now ramp up. So total users I given for the every 10 users. Every 10 users ramp up I given for the 10 seconds, right? 10 or 0.5 only, 0.5 seconds. So total users will be how many? Total 50, right?
50.
Total 50 users. So I given for the like every 10 users will be 5 seconds will be ramp up, means all 50 users will be, how much time it will take? All 50 users will be, how much time it will take? See, 5 seconds, see, every 5 seconds, 10 users will be
20,
ramp up.
25 seconds.
So total 5 into 5, 25 seconds. Means total ramp up time is equal to how much? 25 seconds. Means after 25 seconds, all 50 users will be start for their execution. Means we are giving for the some condition, because at a time we can hit for the 50 users, some it will be load will be, some application will be crossed. So that is why what we are giving, every 10 users will be ramp up will be 5 seconds we are given. And after that we are given for the duration. So duration I given for the how much time? 2 minutes I given. Duration how much I given? 2 minutes I given. And after that ramp down. Ramp down means user will be gradually reducing the load. Means user will be reducing the load. So ramp down I given, same condition I given. Every 10 users ramp down 0.5 seconds. So total ramp up, ramp down how much? Total ramp down how much? See, every 10 users will be 5 seconds. So 10 users will be 5 seconds, means total 50 users. Means 5 into 5 means 25 seconds is the ramp down. So means now we need to consider, so what is the total execution duration time? Duration is the 2 minutes, and it will including for the ramp up, ramp down also. 25 means 50 seconds, means 2 minutes 50 seconds your test will be run. Test duration how much total?
2 minutes 50 seconds.
2 minutes 50 seconds. See, means if you want to do for the ramp up, ramp down, means you need to give for the like this. See, this start users I give for the 50 users. Okay, I given for the every 10 users will be ramp up will be 5 seconds. Maybe you are executing 500 assume. So if you give for the 10 5 seconds means how much time it will take for the 500 users? Okay, let me wait, not 500.
250 seconds.
Calculation will be, it will be difficult, right? So 100 users,
250
every 10
seconds.
users will be 5 seconds will ramp up. So what is the ramp up duration? 10 into 5, right?
50 seconds.
50
50 seconds.
50 seconds.
Seconds.
So means 200 means it is 100 seconds. So means you need to calculate like this. And if you are maybe you are increasing the load, then you need to increase for the ramp up also. Every 20 users will be 5 seconds. Then how much it will come?
25 seconds.
Within 25 seconds, all ramp up will happen. So same way we can do for the ramp up, ramp down also. You can do for the same way. For here also you can do for the ramp down. See, you can observe start users nothing but is start user nothing but ramp up. A duration nothing but how much duration you are executing. See, this is the ramp up. See, you can observe here 0, 10 users will be there here, and after that you can observe after 5 seconds 20 users came. You can observe after 10 seconds 30 users, and after 15 seconds 40 users, and after final 50 seconds how much it is came total? 50 users came after 20 seconds. So means we are giving for the ramp up, and after that this is the duration. Means 2 minutes we are executing for the 50 users. 50 users will be doing for their transaction like launch, login, flight booking again and again. They will do for the, this is the duration. And this is the ramp down. You can observe here ramp down. See, it is reducing the time, 40 users, and you can observe here 30 users, and you can observe here 20 users. You can observe here 10 users, and it is finally 0 users. So we need to design the scenario like this. And so before start execution, I will explain these things. Okay, ramp up means gradually users will be reducing the increasing the load. So duration nothing but what are the test duration we are executing, that is the duration. And ramp down nothing but we are reducing the load. Okay, got it everyone?
Yeah,
So what is the ramp up, ramp down duration? So going to the, we have the one more scenario schedule. We have the different type of schedules like schedule by scenario or schedule by group. Schedule by scenario, schedule by group. So and real world schedule and basic schedule. So we need for this information also. So what is the schedule by scenario? What is the schedule by group? So schedule by scenario means what will happen, right? See, we are given like another script also I'm giving. Okay. See, I given this. Now you can observe I selected which type I selected, schedule by scenario I selected. You can observe each and every script you can select. You can select this one. It is changing this graph. No, because what will happen like, see, if you are giving for the schedule by scenario, what will happen means it will including for the all the scenarios will be sharing for the ramp up, ramp down duration will be same. Means this script to ramp up same like this only. This script means all scripts behave like a one scenario and having their sharing for the ramp up, ramp down duration. Maybe you are selecting for the schedule by group. You can observe here. See, you can now you can check this each one. See, this is the different. You can now you can schedule here. Number of users I'm giving for the here 10, and here you can I'm giving for the every 2 users will be okay 15 seconds assume water maybe. Okay, see, so and after the duration I'm giving for the just 0 to 2 minutes and click on okay. And after that stop users condition I'm giving for the like every 2 users will be 10 seconds I giving. See, now we are schedule this one means first script I schedule, and after that I want to like design the second one. See, now you can design the second one. Now you need to give for the second one also yourself different users also you can give, and different ramp up also you can give. Okay, and see this graph will be is now coming. So means when you are selecting for the schedule by scenario, schedule by group, what is the difference means? So schedule by scenario means all scripts behave like a one scenario and sharing ramp up, ramp down duration. So when you are selecting for the schedule by group, every script behave like a their own scenario and having their own ramp up, ramp down duration. Got it, everyone? Hello? Got it,
Okay.
everyone?
Yeah, okay. Sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, good. So now see these options we know, schedule by scenario and schedule by group. And now real world schedule, what is the basic schedule? So now you are selected real world schedule. What is the real world schedule means? See, if you want to design the multiple ramp up, multiple ramp down means you need to select for the real world mode. So if you select this and we want to add, see if it is, you are able to see, right? Next will be there. You can click on this. Again, you want to design for the ramp up, ramp down duration here. So if you want to like run until completion, otherwise you want to one more, you want means you can give for the like how many hours you want to, like 0 minutes, and you need to give for the, this is the minutes, 2 seconds, and click on OK. Okay, see now you can observe multiple ramp up, multiple ramp downs means you need to select for the real world. So if you select basic, see, do you want to continue? Yes. See, if you want this means what will happen means, so basic like single ramp up, single ramp down, it will come. Means you don't give for the multiple ramp up, multiple ramp down. See, for example, I will open quickly in Paint. See, now this is the ramp up. Now it is happen. And again, what I can do when I select for the like real world, then it is come to like this, and again it will again ramp up, again duration, again ramp up, it will come, and after that duration like this, and after that ramp down, and again ramp down, it will come. Means we want to give for the multiple ramp up, multiple ramp down means you need to select for the these things. Maybe you don't want for the multiple ramp up, then what we can do, you need to give for the proper single one, means then you need to select for the like single ramp up, and after that duration, and after that single ramp down. That's it. Got it? So means you need to design the scenario. So this will be how to design the scenario. Everyone is clear, or anyone have any doubts? Hello? Everyone good? So this is the design phase. After design is completed, that will be simple only run stage, and you need to start scenario means you can click on this, and if you want start scenario and click on yes. See, it is you can observe what are the scenarios you added, total number of users. See, all users will be, we have the states will be there. This is the group name, nothing but what are the scripts you are given. And now you can observe design you are given for the schedule by group. So if you give for the schedule by group, what will happen? Say user count will be different, and ramp up will be different, ramp down will be, every user will be different. Now you can click on this and you can observe also. Okay, and see, and after that you can observe all 20 users will be, it is came for the run status.
Individual ramp up.
Yeah, individual ramp up, individual ramp down, duration. So here run means every user will be, ramp up means this is the down status, we'll call it as a up to initialization. Result ramp up time means it will wait for the until 25 seconds. After that every user will coming to the run, and they're doing for the their transactions, like they're doing for the launch ticket and booking, and what are the scenarios we are doing. So you can observe show user also, we are able to see the how user is behavior going, and as same to see user is a initializing stage only there in this user. Means same way these 20 users also open their browser and they are doing for their transactions. We are how much duration you are given, it will execute for that much of. Now you can come to here and you can observe here. So total number of users will be executing 31 users. You can observe also here. So and elapsed time nothing but, so when you are click for the start button, it is starting from the first second onwards, 1 second. So elapsed time nothing but it is the time of the execution time. So starting to ending. If per second means, so for each application is a hitting, like we are giving for the username password and clicking for the login, means some hits will be happen per second. How many hits happening, it is calculated here. This is the pass transaction, like how many logins happening, how many like different transactions, flight booking, payment, and logout happening. So how many pass, if it is any fail, any errors, you are able to see. So if you click on this, you can see the if any errors there, you need to find the what are the errors. Maybe you are getting for the here no match found error. That is the which type of error?
Boundary.
Boundaries means it's a script issue. It's right. Maybe
Yeah.
you are getting for the some data issue. Means what is that point of view? Parameterization issue. Maybe you are giving for the boundaries
Jaruna.
mismatch means no match found error you're getting for, that is the correlation
Yeah,
issue.
another
And
issue.
sorry, yes,
Digestion system కావద్దా అరేంజ్ కావద్దా
sorry, I'm not understanding, please loud. You with this Naraj?
No, sir.
Yeah, what is your doubt, you can tell me, or can I continue?
I'm
No,
not,
no,
sir.
please continue.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not speaking.
Okay, no problem. See now, see maybe I want to add for the so during the test I want to add some users also. Means how to add the, means you need to click on for the view users, and once click on the view users, we need to add, means add view users is there. You can click on add users. So once you can click on add users, it will be open window. So you are able to see the here running, means all users is running, and what are the scripts is executing, and you are able to see the these all things is executing. Total users, how many users is executing. This is the elapsed time. And see, once you can click on add users, it will open like this. Which scenario, what are the scenarios you are selected? See, this is the you are selected. If you want to add, means you can add this also. We have to the different, means you can select, see these three only I added. For here I want to add for this scenario, I want 10 users. See, I will increase for the users. See, I want to add for the 10 users and click on OK. See, you can observe end of the this. See, one more 10 users will be added. See, if you want to anything, users will be delete. You can select this, and if you want delete, means you can delete also is possible. So means while during the test, you should add for the scripts. What are the scripts you want to add for, means you can add the script, you can delete the script, and same to the what we can add for the load generators also we can add, and what are the things we can do, we need to do for that during the test also we need to observe. And after that you can observe here, we have the graphs also will be there. Running users graph and transaction response time graph. During the test, you should monitor for the this all things. What is the hits, how is it's going graph? You can open this. See, it will be going like this. So throughput is generating this. Throughput nothing but some bytes receiving from the server to if we are getting some bytes. So how it is the bytes will receiving, it is showing for the graphical orient, and we are able to see the this is the transaction response time. Transaction means what are the like launch and flight booking, login, this all transactions. What is the average response time it is taking? You are able to see the here. See, these all will be transactions. See, I didn't got any errors also. So I test went good. So maybe you are getting for the lot of errors. Then if it is getting for the more than 4% error, then your test is invalid. If you do the test also invalid, then what we need to do? We need to rectify the issues. You need to find the issues and you need to resolve. So I'm stopping because so test will be run more time. So like this we can do for the execution. So everyone can execute yourself, and once execution is completed, you can go to the results. Click on results and click on analyzer. Means you are able to see the results. See the now results where we can do load runner analysis. This is the third component. See, you can, it will opening for the results. Test is completed. Now I want to analyze the results. See, you should wait for the until 100% is complete for the load. See, so 100% is completed. Results will be loading. You should wait for the all results will be displayed. You should wait. See, all results will be loading. See, now everything is recorded. See, this is the runtime, means what time you are executed, total duration, how much time duration you are executed, 7 minutes 1 second. So this is the graph we are designing, and maximum running users will be 31 users will be run, and total throughput is generated, and average throughput, and total hits. And major thing we need to concentrate for the transaction response time. So these all will be transactions. So each transaction